Now the Russian Air Force has another new version of the good old Mi-24. This one is a new generation helicopter, the Mi-35M. Multi-purpose attack helicopter Mi-35M. Main rotor diameter 17.2 meters. Fuselage length 17.5 meters. Maximum takeoff weight 11,500 kilograms. Maximum loading capacity 2,400 kilograms. Power plant, 2 gas turbine engines, 2,400 horsepower each. Crew, 3. Maximum speed, 310 kilometers an hour. Range, 435 kilometers. Armament, twin-barrel GSH 23L cannon. Rockets, suspension pods, anti-tank and anti-aircraft missiles. The fiberglass rotor with its titanium hub and a new aerodynamic profile, as well as the X-shaped tail rotor, all increase performance and also combat survivability. The new instrumentation system has LCD screens, and the helicopter is day and night capable. There's also a night vision goggle system. There's a completely new weapon aiming and computer system with gyro-stabilized electro-optics that include the laser rangefinder and thermal imager. The helicopter has a protection system against missiles. To cope with rough landings, the fixed landing gear has extra energy-absorbing capacity, and that protects the aircraft's structure against abnormal loads. The shorter wing is equipped with a built-in hoist for the heavier weapons, and that also makes maintenance easier. The armament system has commonality with other Russian combat